Hare Krishna. Today is a very special day for we, the devotees of Sri Sri Radha Krishna, devotees of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Today is the day, about 500 years ago, Srimad Nityananda Prabhu accepted Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami's residence was not too far away from here, on the bank of the Ganges. There's a village called Shaptogram. Those days, Shaptogram was the main port of Bengal. We have to recognize those days India was the most prosperous country, and in India, Bengal was the most prosperous country. And this place was the port of Bengal. All the major financial activities were taking place here. And Raghunath Das Goswami's family, Raghunath Das Goswami's father and his uncle were the landlord of this place. You can say king of this place. Their annual income was 2 million gold coins. 2 million gold coins was their annual income those days. And Raghunath Das Goswami was the only successor, only inheritance to that wealth. And Raghunath Das Goswami became attracted to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Raghunath Das Goswami became totally disinterested, totally disgusted with materialistic way of life. All the wealth became totally insignificant to him. And Raghunath Das Goswami wanted to go to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Raghunath Das Goswami attempted many times to run away from home and go to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but he didn't succeed. Whenever he ran away, his father sent the sentries, the guards, to catch him and bring him back. Then one day, Nityananda Prabhu came here in this place, Panihati. About 500 years back, on this day, on the bank of this Ganges, Nityananda Prabhu was sitting under a banyan tree surrounded by his associates. And one of his associates said, "Oh, Raghunath is here, he's offering obeisances to you." Nityananda Prabhu jokingly said, "Oh, where is that thief? Bring him here." So Raghunath Das Goswami was escorted to Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu very mercifully placed his lotus feet on his head, and he decided to punish him. He called him a thief, and he decided to punish him. Why did he call him a thief? There was no need for him to steal anything. I mean, he had so much wealth. 2 million gold coins is his annual income. So, why is he calling him a thief? He was addressed as a thief because he was approaching Chaitanya Mahaprabhu directly, superseding Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu is the owner of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Without Nityananda Prabhu's mercy, no one can get Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his mercy. Therefore, Nityananda Prabhu called him a thief, and he decided to punish him. The punishment is that he'll have to feed him and all his associates with chipped rice and yogurt. Chida, Dahi. Chida means flat rice, and Dahi means yogurt. And Raghunath Das Goswami accepted that punishment, And he made an arrangement, a huge arrangement of distribution of chipped rice and yagat, Chida, Dahi. And hundreds of thousands of people came. It all started with Nityananda Prabhu's associates, but the news spread that such an arrangement has been made. Whoever is coming, getting chira, dodhi, and sweets, mangoes, and jackfruit, and lychees, and bananas, anything that is available. People just started to come there and selling all those items. And sweetmeat dealers brought sweets from all over, and they all were distributed. It has been described that not only the land part was occupied with the devotees, even the Ganges was occupied. There was no room here. People were standing on the Ganges and eating this chipped rice and yogurt. Since that time, the festival is going on every year on this particular day.